I deal with the whole entire federal government's workforce. And one of the most challenging things that we have as a nation is keeping track, keeping abreast of what we need to know and what we need to do to defend against the bad actors out there. When I take a look at this program, I took a look at that beautiful center that we have over there and the capabilities that we have between the sponsorship of the private sector, the academic world, and also the federal government. There's a lot of opportunities right here in Erie, Pennsylvania. Could you imagine all of your bank accounts being wiped out? Could you imagine the whole entire national grid being jeopardized? I can. I've been a part of those programs. So when I see a program like this, we are stepping forward. We are making sure that we are leaning into the defense of our country versus stepping back. So I applaud you on your efforts, and I look forward to working with you and strengthening our partnership between industry, academics, and the federal government. Thank you very much.